Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today we're on the BYU campus again, and I wanted to highlight one of my favorite trees. Now, BYU has some gorgeous trees on their campus, and they actually have a little brochure that gives you a tree tour, so you can come see a lot of specimens that are full grown. This time we're highlighting the Zelkova, and in just this little area right here they have some gorgeous mature trees, and some of them are the more narrow type, and I'm going to have to put the names on the screen because I cannot remember them. But anyway, I'm going to show you a couple of types of Zelkova. Now the first one we're going to look at is this really narrow Fastgate Zelkova. I'm going to have to guess at the name. I don't know the variety, but as you can see, the branches have a very tight, upright form. You do have to be careful when these trees are young. Really late snowstorms, that happen when they've already leafed out, do have a tendency to break out the branches. There was a late snowstorm when I was going here to school that did break out some of these branches. Now here we're going to look at the bark of this really large mature Zelkova tree, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Some of the larger trees have a really nice branching structure. They can get quite large. They can get about 40 to 50 feet tall and wide. And as we back up and look at the form of this tree, there's a line of them here. They have a really gorgeous form. If you need a shade tree, Zelkovas are excellent. Now the wonderful thing about Zelkovas is they do not have a lot of pests or disease that bother them. They don't have a lot of fertilizer needs. If you prune them while they're young, train them so that they have a nice shape, they don't have pruning needs when they're older, and they're very drought tolerant. So if you want a tree that is absolutely easy to care for, Zelkova is definitely it. Makes a beautiful shade tree, can make a gorgeous specimen tree. They can fit in narrow areas with the upright narrow form that I showed you. And the fall color is brilliant. They turn just mauves and reds and oranges, so the fall color is absolutely gorgeous. Zelkovas are definitely on my recommended list for trees for Utah. So if you like my videos, I hope you like and subscribe and have a wonderful garden adventure.